Assalamu alaikum students, class 7. I hope you will have learned all the lessons which are presented in videos. Today I have an assessment for you. It is assessment 1, or we can call it April assessment. Through this assessment you will be able to assess yourself that what you have learned. You will have to take a loose sheet or a rough copy and you will have to solve this paper over there. And the time allowed is 40 minutes. I'm going to read it for you so it will be easy that how you will attempt this paper. I'm going to read question first. It is fill in the blanks with suitable definite and indefinite articles. Here 5 statements are given and you have to fill up the blanks by using definite or indefinite articles. Come to question 2. You have to complete the following sentences using gerunds. We have learned gerunds in these videos and now you have to complete these 5 statements by using gerunds. Come to question 3. Express the following sentences into present tense. Well, in this question 3 you will have to convert these sentences into present, past or future. In first part A, you have to convert these two sentences into present tense. Then in B part, you have to convert these two sentences into past tense. And then in C part, you will have to put these sentences into future tense. Like 2 sentences are given, I never believe you, and they come here every day. In these sentences, you will have to change into future tense. Come to question 4. You have to answer these questions. These are taken from the textbook. First question is, how can we increase our understanding and experience? You have to answer this question and it is taken from 8 cultural festivals around the world. Come to second question, where do the cattle graze and why don't they raise their heads? It is taken from Written in Marsh poem. So you have to solve all these questions on paper and you will have to assess what you have learned. Thank you so much. Today I have a second assessment for you. We can call it May assessment. Again, you have to solve this paper on some rough copy and then you have to assess yourself what you have learned. Again, time allowed is 40 minutes. I am going to read the paper so it will be clear. Question 1 is, change the following into passive voice. Here 6 sentences are given and you have to change these sentences into passive voices. Question 2 is, put shall or will, whichever is correct. So in these 4 sentences you will have to add shall or will. Which looks correct, you have to fill up in these blanks. Come to question 3. Here again, fill in the blanks with suitable auxiliary verbs. Here some auxiliary verbs are given and you will have to add these auxiliary verbs in these blanks. Come to next page. Here you have to give the answers of these questions. First question is, for which quality were Ahmad and Ali known? And second question is, how did Ahmad reconcile his relationship with Ali? You have to solve this paper. Thank you so much.